special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Altamont Sound to Fernandina Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles over Atlantic offshore waters until 7:45 p.m. and 5:46 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater, along a line extending from 23 nautical miles northwest of Altamont Sound to 23 nautical miles west of St. Simons to 34 nautical miles west of Dungeness, moving east at 20 knots. The storms will move offshore of Brunswick around 6:30 to 7 p.m. local time. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, hail, and heavy rains. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8:00 p.m. Wednesday evening for southeast Georgia. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following marine location: coastal waters from Altamont Sound to Fernandina Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles.